Hi guys, welcome to another video in Jay's workshop. This is a video on a Mk7 Golf. Basically, I don't know if you guys experience the same problem as me, but sometimes you just get a dribble of water over here and you wonder where it's coming from. And that didn't really bother me, to be honest. Main thing was my rear left indicator started playing up. Changed the bulb, it was still messing about. And when I realized there's some corrosion in there because water was getting into the boot somehow. So how you solve this problem is you need to replace this part. As you can see, the back of this is completely worn out. It's the piece that comes out from the actual boot over here. So my old one, this one here, we went out like this. It was inside just flapping around, so the water was just going over into the boot. So this is a new one, pipe that I got from eBay. It's a genuine VW part. It's such a simple job. You just gotta basically remove off all this back trims. There's no screws involved apart from these 4 torque screws, which go 2 in here under this flap, and 1 more on this side and 1 more on that side, and the rest of it is literally just pop off. But once you do take off them 4 screws, you have to remove this upper trim over here first, which is here. Once again, it's just held on by 4 clips. You can then remove this side and this side, which will give you leverage to pop this off. You don't have to completely pop it off. As long as it's hanging down like this, you have enough space. And then what you do, you just feed the new rubber hose through there. It comes around and it joins onto this thing here. As you can see, that black hose is what I've literally just feed it through the back. So easy, push it down, it goes behind all of this stuff, and it will start flapping around over here. You just have to hook it onto this little L-shaped thing here. As you can see, this one was connected to there, and it's literally job done. It's that easy, and it'll stop the water getting into your boot. So I know it's a nice short video, but I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.